Good morning, children. In the previous class, I explained the table and also the place value chart of 7, 8, 9 digits. Now I am going to exercise 1.1. Page number, if you have textbook, refer it, otherwise leave it. Okay? Page number 10, 1.1 exercise, first main. What they have given in the first main, in the textbook itself, you can do it. You have textbooks means, please go through and do it yourself. Practice it yourself only. Okay, in the textbook itself, you can do it. Okay, children, what they have given, if you are 10 years old, you would have lived ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 3 crores, 15 lakhs, 36,000 seconds. Compare the numbers given below and match the age to the seconds lived. Do not calculate, match by putting the numbers in ascending order. What you have studied in the before classes, that only they have given for you for practice, just practice and to recall to a memory how much you have remembered the previous portions. For that purpose, they are given for you. Okay. So, please, you can do it by matching the numbers according to the ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to the bigger number. So, I think everybody can do by yourself only. Okay, children? So, in the next class, I will tell the answer. So, now we will go for the second main. What is the second main? Write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. Write neatly. Classwork should be maintained very neatly, children. Be careful and write neatly only with gel pen and also pencil and scale. I told, don't use another different colors of pens. Okay? I want only blue gel pen and pencil and scale and maintain the classwork very neatly. Okay, first one, what they have given? 45, 10, 7 to 8 they have given. So these numbers, now we are writing this number into words. What words mean? Number names. As already we are studying from LKG itself. ONE1, TWO2, THRE3. Same only. Now we are studying the same number names only, but digits are more. This is how many digits number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. How many digit number? 7 digit number. 7 digit means what? Or automatically you should get in your mind, 7 digit means it should be 10 lakh. 7 digit means 10 lakh. Okay. Now 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. I told place value chart of 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit. Automatically when you are writing the 7 digit number means it should be in 10 lakhs. Place value of 7 digit is 10 lakhs. So now from here we have to start. What is that? 45 lakhs. F-O-T-Y, 45 lakhs. I told spellings are very important. You should learn spellings also. And L-A-K-H lakh, not L-A-C lakh. So many are making mistake but for the lakh spelling as L-A-C. No, it is not L-A-C. It is L-A-K-H lakh. 45 lakh, 10,000. From today, we will start the assignment also, children. So, be careful and write the assignment also properly. We have another 200 pages horizontal book only. In that you can start assignment. Start writing the assignment. When you are coming for submission of books, that time you have to submit both classwork and homework. Okay? 45 lakh, 10,000, 728. 728. Got it? Next, Second one, 938, 47, 142. I'm taking textbook and writing, children. So we have another in the total 9 I will teach. Another things you have to do the homework. 9 total I have done. Is it? Okay, no problem. 9 here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 8 digit means what will come? Crore. 9 crore. N-I-N-E, 9 crore. C-R-O-R-E, crore, not C-O-R-E, core. Core is different and crore is different. So this only listen properly, keep it in your mind and don't make mistakes. Okay? 9 crore, 38 lakh, 38 lakh, L-A-K-H lakh, 47,000, 47,142. 142. So we'll do here 6 sums. Another 3 sums you can do for homework. Okay? Next. 16, 25, 74, 915. So as I'm explaining in the previous classes also the same, you are going to learn more and more digits. As the class is increasing, the digits also will be increased. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Is it? So now 16 crores. 16 crore. Okay, 16 crore. 25 lakhs. 25 lakh. 74,000. 74,000. So madam is planning in the next month only FA1 test. So please concentrate more and put little more effort. That day's work, that day if you practice, it is very easy. Okay, children? 16 crore, 25 lakh, 74,915. Spellings are very, very important in this main. Okay? 915. These spellings you are learning from LKG. So, once again, I know everybody know also. Once again, you recall it and practice it. I think everybody are practicing tables also. Tables also is very, very, very important, children. Okay. Now, next question. 78 lakhs, 85,934. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 78 lakhs, 78 lakh, 85,000, 85,934. 34. Next, E. 6 crores, 78 lakhs, 40,815. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So, how many crores? 6 crore, 78 lakh, 40,000. 815. 815. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 sums, another 4 sums you can do for the homework. F, G, H, I you can do for the homework. Okay, children, assignment. Second main. Homework, assignment. There. Second main. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. F, G, H, I. 4 sums are homework in the second main. Now you are going for the third main. What is third main? Go for the third main. I think everybody got it. Second main, because this main is you are studying from the LKG. Number mains. But everybody know, but the digits are increased. That's all. Just you have to learn from 8, 7, 8, 9 digits. That's all. Means lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. That's why lakh spelling L-A-K-H, crore spelling C-R-O-R-E, crore. So that you have to see properly and you have to practice it. Okay, children? Second main, F, G, H, I are the homework assignment. Next, we'll go for the third main. Assignment all I will write here. Okay. Next, third main. Give the expanded notation for the following numbers. Give the expanded notation for the following numbers. This also you are studying from the first standard. I think expanded notation is nothing but you are making the numbers dividing ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, you have written in words. Now these numbers are dividing in numbers only, means according to the place value. Okay, first one, see, I'll show you how to write, how to do. Okay, second main finished. Now we are going for the third main. First one, 67, 09, 654. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only is there. So 5 sums also we can do. Don't need to write any main, this main homework. Only second main, F, G, H, I. Only 4 sums and tables. You can write tables. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 time. Tables 1 time. Okay. Now 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. Okay. As soon as they give the number, first you have to put the columns. How many? Here 10 lakhs we got. So first one 60 lakhs. 6 is 10 lakhs plus what number is there? 6 is there. Then 60 lakhs. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 digit number. Is it? So 6 zeros plus 7 lakhs. This is the expanded notation. I think everybody knows this is from first standard you are studying. Is it? But very smaller digit means 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. But now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits you are reading. You are learning. Okay. Next, In that, 0 is there. In the 10,000 place, no number. So we can also put 0 directly. If number is there only, we should write the place value. Otherwise, no need to write any place value. We can put directly 0. Next, 1000. 9,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. Like this. This is the writing the number in expanded notation. Writing the number in expanded notation. Following children, everybody, listen properly. 7900 690. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here also again 7-digit number only. 10 lakhs they have given. So in 10 lakhs place, what number is there? 7. So 70 lakhs plus 9 lakhs plus how many? 0 plus 0. I told in 1000, 10,000 place also 0 only. 1000 place also 0 only. So when it is 0, directly we can put here also 0. Okay. Next, plus 600 plus 90 plus 0. Got it? Like this, we have to write the numbers in expanded notation. Next, third one. See. 9, 83, 10, 809. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. You can pause it and you can write, children. You can copy it. Okay. Lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. This is 8-digit number. 8-digit number. Okay. Now we get one more 0 is extra. Is it? 9 crores. This is 70 lakhs. 9 crores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. Is it? 9 crores plus how many? 80 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus how much? 10,000 plus 0 plus 800 plus 0 plus 9. That's all. So in the tens column, there is no number here. They have not given any number. So there what is there here? 0. So 0 only I kept in the tens column and also in the thousands column. So if they have given 0 only, you have to write directly 0 only. No need to write any place value. Okay. Next, D1. 2, 10, 23, 008. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So once again 2 crores plus 10 lakhs plus 0 plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus how much? 0 plus 0 plus 8. That's all. So in the tens column also 0 only. In the hundreds column also 0 only. And one more lakhs column also 0 only. So I kept 0, 3 zeros. Okay. Now last one, E. So 45, 0, 0, 091. 45, 0, 0, 091. So how many? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs. So 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs plus 5 lakh plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 90 plus 1 plus 90 plus 1. Here 10,000 column also 0 only, 1000 column also 0 only. So I kept 0 0 and hundreds column also 0 only. So I kept 0 only. Okay, got it children? Once again, expanded notation. So what the number they have given, that you are expanding in the place value according to the place value. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So in 10 lakhs place 6 number is there. So in 10 lakhs means 6 tens are 60. 60 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 0 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 4. Like that. Okay? Got it? Everybody? I think everybody got it, children? You want, you can pause it and you can do it. Only second main I am given homework. In this main I am not given any numbers for homework for assignment. Only second main F, G, H, I for the homework and tables 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now we will go for the third main. Okay. What is third main? If you have textbook, you can open, children. Sorry, third main, not fourth main. This is the third main. I have taught you now. Fourth main. Send the PDF, so see properly and write neatly the PDF. No spelling mistakes, and also I want the handwriting should be very, very neat. I can understand because from last year you are not coming to school and you are not writing practice also will not be there. That I can understand, but you have a lot of time now. You can write neatly. Sit with your parents and write neatly the notes. Complete the notes as early as possible, and when we are asking for submission, that time you have to submit the classworks. But that also marks will be allotted. Okay, children. Now we are going for the fourth main. What is the fourth main? Write the following numbers in figures. Write the following numbers in figures. Write the following numbers in figures. Okay. Write the following numbers in figures. So, first one, 2 lakh 39,000 and 23 and 23. This also you are studying from LKG itself. So also once again, but the digits are more here. That's all. How to write the numbers, number names into numbers. Figures are nothing but numbers. You have to write in these words. You have to convert into numbers. How? 2 lakh they are given first. 2 lakh means here. Is it? 2 lakh, comma 39,000. So 39,000 next and 23 and 23 they have given directly and 23. But after 1000, what column will come here? Hundreds column will come. But in the hundreds column there is no number. They are not given any number representing hundreds. How many hundreds are there here? They are not given. Only directly they have given tens and ones column. So That time what we have to do? You have to put hundreds column 0. You have to put hundreds column 0. So and 23, 2, 3 like this. Got it? Listen carefully and write slowly. No urgent. Is there any train are going or flight are going? No. We have to see properly what place value they have given, what columns they have given. That you have to understand it and you have to write the number correctly. See, 2,39,023. We got 2,39,023. But there is no hundreds column. Hundreds, there is not given any number for the hundred. So hundreds column, they have not given any number. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to keep 0 in the hundred column. So many they will write 2, 39, 23. That's all. If you write like this, is it correct? No, it is wrong. Why? Because here no hundreds column. There is no hundreds column. 239, it is not will come. What will come? If you are not written 0 here, what will become? See, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 23,923 it will become. But here they have given 2,39,023 they are given. So represent the number properly according to the place value. So for that purpose, I am telling children, listen carefully, understand the question properly and write the number. Be careful while writing. What place value they have given, that you have to think and write it. Okay? Got it, everybody? Now 2,39,023. Next, B. B1, 40,905. 40,905. 905. So here also, what place value they have given and what place value they have not given, that you have to see properly. Read the question twice or thrice, then only you can answer it properly. So what they have given first? 40 lakh. Is it? 40 lakh. Okay. Next, 905. Directly they went for the ones, tens, hundreds column. Where is the 40 lakh after what? 1,000, 10,000 column? No. So what they have done? Directly they went for the hundreds column. So 905. Is it? Directly they went for the hundreds column. 905. Here they have not given any number. So what I told? If they have not mentioned any number in the any place value, that time what we have to think? 0. You have to keep. Think it 0 and you have to keep the number zeros. So now question, what question they have given for that? Answer is correct. See, 40 lakhs 905. 0, 0, 905. Then the place value has become according to the number name. What the number name they have given, for that according that only I have written the number, place value, correct place value. Okay. So for that purpose, children, listen carefully and read the question twice or thrice. 35,000 857. 857. 35,857. So for this we have to write the number 35,000 then 857. So here there is no need to keep any 0 here because they're given correct place value words. Is it 35,000? After 10,000, hundreds, tens and ones column. 857. all the place values correctly mentioned. So for that purpose, easily we can write the numbers. Okay. Next, 83,900. 83,900. 83,900 and 900. 83 lakh and 900. Okay. What is 83,900,000? So, we'll go for the dash number. 83 lakh and 900. Here also directly they went for the hundreds, tens, ones column. 83 lakh 900. Here they are given. Then it is correct? No. What we have to write? 0, 0. 1,000 and 10,000 column. They have not given mentioned any numbers. Sorry, names here. So for that purpose we have to put zeros, 2 zeros in the 1,000 column and 10,000 column. Now the number is correct. Okay, 83,900,000. Next, 7 crore 7 crore 37 lakh 37 lakh and 18,000 and 18,000 and 18,000. 7 crore 37 lakh and 19,000, not 18,000. They have given 19,000. N-I-N-E-T-E-N, 19,000. So, what the number first? 7 crore. 7 comma 37 lakh. Next, 37 lakh. 7 crore 37 lakh and 19,000. 19,000. That's all. So this is the number for the given statement. Means given number name. This is the number. Got it? 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. We got the correct place value according to the number name. 7 crore, 37 lakhs, 19 and 19,000 and 19,000. Got it? Like this we have to write the numbers what they have given in the number names. Write the following numbers in figures with commas they have given. So I have put commas also. Okay. As I explained in the first class, that is previous class, the place value chart, how the groups divided, columns they have divided, ones, tens, hundreds, one column, 1,000, 10,000, one column, lakhs, 10 lakhs, one column, and crores, another column, 4 groups. Indian system, this is the Indian place value chart. Indian system, these numbers are, we are writing in Indian system, Indian number system. Okay. So, 2,39,023. 2,39,023. So, read the question. If you are not understand, once again, if you read, will get to your mind where we are missing. What we are missing. Okay. So, read the question properly, understand the question, then only you can write the answer. Okay, children. I think everybody understood. Okay, following. So, I will conclude by this main today. In this main, I have explained third main, fourth main, second main, third main, and fourth main. Is it? In the next class, we will go for the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th mains. We will go for the next. Okay. So today I will conclude by this. Only one main I have given the homework F, G, H, I. I will discuss the homework sums in the next class and I will go for the next other mains. Okay, children, I think got it, everybody? Got it? I will conclude by this. Thank you very much, children.